Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to convert DVD to MP4 instantly. So guys, for this video, we are going to use the Wondershare Uni Converter. So just simply go to their website, videoconverter.wondershare.com guys, and this will be their homepage. And from here, you can just simply click on try it free over here. And from here, just simply select a destination file and click on save. And now just simply open the file. And once you open the file, just simply click on this and click on install. And from here, just simply wait for it to load up. Now guys, once this is done, just simply click on start now. And from here guys, as you can see, just simply wait for it to load up. And now guys, it will automatically open up. And from here, go to converter. Now guys, from here, just simply click on this and just simply select your VOB file. I'm gonna click on this and click on open. So now, as you can see, the output format will be MP4 down below, and just simply click on convert. And now just simply click on continue trial. And from here, just simply wait for it to load up. And from there, you should be able to click on this and you'll be able to have it on MP4. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!